Hi students, welcome to this session. Today I am going to give you Term 3 Science Unit 1 Green Environment Book Evaluation Answers and Dictation Words children. Dictation words. First one natural resources. Second one waste. Third one pollutes. Fourth one environment, biodegradable, separation, transportation, recycling, composting, disposal, management, converted, landfill, open dump, reuse. Choose the correct answer. What is the first step in waste management? Here given waste disposal, waste separation, waste collection. Which one is correct? Waste separation. Which is an example for non-biodegradable waste? Plastic plate. Dash attracts more litter, so it is important to always put waste in a bin. The answer is the environment. Dash is a first R in the 3 Rs. Reduce. Let us move on to the fill in the blanks children. First one, dash is an example of reusing waste. Here given two options: using old jars for pickle, saying no to a plastic bag. Reusing வந்து using old jars for pickle. Second one, dash is used to make bags, dustbins and toothbrushes. Bamboo. Dash is a big threat to our environment. Which one? Plastic pollution. Dash is a non-recyclable item, multi-layer plastic. Match the following. Plastic waste. The answer is threat to environment. Waste separation, biodegradable, recyclable and non-recyclable. Reduce, reuse and recycle. 3 Rs. Stainless steel, eco-friendly material. Write true or false. 3R method reduces the amount of waste that goes to landfills. That is true. Eco-friendly material is harmful to the environment. That is false. Plastic bag, thermocol and multi-layer plastic are recyclable. That is false. We should not separate our waste. That is also false. Answer in 1 or 2 sentences. First question, what are the 3 Rs? Answer is reduce, reuse and recycle. What is biodegradable waste? Things that can be decomposed or broken down by microorganisms are biodegradable waste. Write the different steps in waste management. The steps are: first one, separation of waste. Second one, waste collection and transportation. Third, waste recycling and composting. Fourth one, waste disposal. Fourth question, name any 5 items which are recyclable. Items are paper, cardboard, plastic, metals and glass. Roman number 6, answer the following. First question, what can you do at home to help waste management? Here some steps are given. Always put waste in a bin. Do not litter open areas. Reduce paper by writing on both sides of every sheet of paper. Use reusable bags and containers. Separate biodegradable, recyclable and non-recyclable waste. Avoid one-time plastics. Second question, what are the plastic items that have been banned in Tamil Nadu? Plastic bags, plastic plates, water pouches, plastic straws and plastic sheets are the plastic items banned in Tamil Nadu. Third question, write the benefits of recycling. Benefits of recycling are it reduces the waste, it saves money, it protects the environment. Fourth answer, what is meant by eco-friendly material? Things that can be decomposed or broken down by microorganisms are biodegradable. They can return back to the soil and become food for plants. These biodegradable items are eco-friendly materials. That's all about this book evaluation answers, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.